Hi everyone, hi, welcome back. I'm Rinske Douna if you are new here. And what I do, I create abstract botanical paintings. That's what I will do today as well. And I will start out with a summer spring-like background. So let's start with that. Of course, I wet the canvas first and I have some soft colors to start with. Diving right in, aren't we? Don't have a plan. I just want to create a background here and then let's see if I want to let that dry and come back later with different layers. That's what I feel for now. So this is a soft magenta. It's beautiful. Let's go with a Indian yellow hue here. It's vibrant. Let's add some more of the magenta here. Like that blend, it's like a sunset, isn't it? I do have a pale green and also a light ultramarine blue. Add some of the pale green here. And I still have all the colors on my brush. That's totally fine. So the pale green is really a neutral color, and those colors are definitely not. All right, so now I think we have the perfect blend. Took me a little while, but hey, here we go. Loving this. I'm back. It just took a couple of minutes, like 20 minutes or something. I let it dry and I was thinking, it's not fully dry yet, by the way, to go in with a Payne's gray. I think Payne's gray is a beautiful color to go with almost any color. Ooh, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. Let's sort my hair. Yeah, I love those soft lines. And this brush, this is amazing. So those brush strokes are super gently. I'm not pushing hard at all. Let's put my hair. This color really fits. This color really fits. Whoa. Well, when I'm doing that, I'm happy. Oh, yes. So I'm glad I didn't let this fully dry because now it kind of blends in with the background too. Okay. Do I want to create some flowers? Probably I do want to create some flowers. Or maybe just one. I'm liking this. I'm scared a bit here because I really like this palette and also those soft lines. The Payne's gray in this, but it's not enough. It's not enough. So I'm thinking of maybe creating just one flower over here, just one for now. Also only with the Payne's gray, I think, and white, of course. So I'm dipping now my other brush in the Payne's gray. Yeah, now that definitely looks better. Now I really like this part over here. So this white part, it's not fully white, and that's fine. I will touch that up later. Just paint that white, this here. Now this is like this beautiful sunset in the background. So I add one leaf like this here. Yeah. I will stop for now. I will definitely stop for now. I'm liking it. I'm starting to go more into the minimal stage with my last couple of paintings. Also like this one, where I really loved all those overlapping, fullness of those botanicals. And now I'm really enjoying the more minimal but more abstract. Okay, I will let it dry and I'll be back. Here you have it. I decided to also paint the sides in the gradient. I might do another layer because you see those drips shining through, but also I do kind of like those drips because it really shows handcraft, doesn't it? Like I said, I did fix up this white part and I've been looking at it, and this part here, that truly looks like a whale still, and I'm loving it. Yeah, I'm definitely in my minimal stage. Minimal colors, minimal designs. Probably craving some calm here. I would love to hear your thoughts about this painting. And if you want to learn what art supplies I use for my paintings, go check out my description for my art supply list. And I'll see you next week.